We're gonna show you how to do these cute tumblers. They're so simple and they look like they were store-bought. First thing is, you want to get a blank tumbler. You print out the file. All I did was I cut it out right on the lines. You wanna have heat-resistant tape. Hold this, I'm pulling it up to the top because I don't want to have any white showing at the top. And then I bring my other piece over. I want to put this as tight as possible. And now I'm going to go all the way down. But you're just taping all around this edge. I'm going to now go like this, just to get it nice and sealed.
Okay.
Let's now do the bottom. And
you got to do the bottom too?
Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the tumbler press.
On?
I have a glove because it's gonna get really hot. I'm gonna put this right in here. That's it, and you're done. Now this is very, very hot.
Wow.
Ah! How cute!